Let me ask you a question. If you lost a decade of potential wealth because no one ever taught you how to invest properly, how would you feel? Because that's exactly what's happening to millions of young adults right now. Not because they're lazy, not because they're irresponsible, but because they're overwhelmed, confused, and worst of all, misguided. Today, we're going to fix that. I'm giving you the only investment guide you'll ever need. Simple, timeless, and designed to work whether you're starting with $100 or $10,000. And no, you won't need a PhD in economics or a Wall Street connection. All you need is a little focus, a little patience, and the courage to start. Ready? Let's build your future. First, you need to know why you're investing. It's not to beat the market. It's not to flex on Instagram. It's to buy freedom, time freedom, career freedom, lifestyle freedom. Investing is about one thing, giving your future self options. You're not chasing money, you're buying time. The ability to walk away from a toxic job, the freedom to take a year off, the choice to retire early, or to work because you want to, not because you have to. Money is a tool. Wealth is a weapon. Investing is how you sharpen it. Second, you have to start early. If you're 20 today and invest just $200 a month at 7% returns, by 60 you'd have nearly $500,000. If you wait until 30, you're cutting that number in half. Still think, I'll wait until I'm rich? Is a solid plan? Starting small now beats starting big later. Compound interest is a time machine. It turns boring habits into unstoppable momentum. The earlier you plant the seed, the bigger the tree. Your money starts working harder than you ever could. Eventually, it makes more money than you do. That's the real secret. Third, stop trying to pick the next Tesla. Own the entire market. Index funds, like VTI or VOO, let you invest in hundreds of companies at once. You're not betting on one winner. You're betting on capitalism itself. And history shows capitalism wins more often than it loses. Diversification? Done. Low fees? Built in? You're not trying to be a genius. You're trying to be consistent. Consistency beats brilliance every time. Next, real wealth is boring. It's setting up automatic investments. It's buying the same funds every month. It's ignoring the noise, ignoring the hype, ignoring your friend's hot stock tip. Real investors get rich quietly. They don't chase, they don't panic, they just keep going. While everyone else burns out chasing trends, they quietly build dynasties. Boring is beautiful. Fifth, you need defense. An emergency fund, health insurance, basic budgeting. Because investing money you can't afford to lose? That's not investing. That's gambling in disguise. And no, manifesting good vibes is not a financial plan. Build your safety net first, then play offense. Sixth, risk isn't your enemy. Inflation is. Doing nothing is. The market will crash. It will recover. And it will crash again. That's the cycle. That's the game. Stay in long enough, you win. The biggest risk? Sitting on the sidelines, while inflation quietly robs your savings. Waiting for the perfect moment is the most expensive mistake you can make. If you think playing it safe will protect you long term, you're in for a nasty surprise. Because there's a hidden threat most people never even see coming. And that threat isn't bad investments. It isn't market crashes. It's procrastination. Waiting for more time, waiting for more money, waiting until you feel ready. Meanwhile, the people who start small and stay consistent, they're winning. They're quietly stacking assets while others are still Googling how to start. Your opportunity cost grows every day you delay. Your advantage shrinks every day you hesitate. Every dollar you invest today is a worker in your army. Every day you wait, you lose one more soldier. Today's $100 could be tomorrow's $1,000. Today's $1,000 could be tomorrow's $10,000. But only if you give it time. Here's your plan. Know your why. Start immediately. Even with a small amount, buy and hold index funds. Automate everything. Play defense. Embrace calculated risk. Ignore the noise. Stay boring. Repeat for decades. That's it. Not exciting enough for TikTok? Good. Real wealth isn't built in 30-second clips. It's built over 30-year curves. Wealth isn't won in a moment. It's built slowly, quietly, intentionally, while nobody's watching. And one day, when everyone else is still chasing trends, you'll realize you're playing a different game entirely. Because you started when it was small and stayed when it was boring. Now, if you found this guide valuable, there's one more thing you need to know. It's not just about what to do. It's about what mistakes to avoid. Because even the best plan can collapse if you make the wrong moves early. Click over now to watch my next video.